right, okay. There's something different on everybody. On the count of 3, go Raiders. 1, 2, 3. Gotta love it. I hear you. With the 75th pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Oakland Raiders select Shilique Calhoun.
Defensive end.
Defensive end, Michigan State.
Well, yeah, I tell you what, the Raiders and Jack Del Rio know that on the defensive side of the ball, they've already made some moves, obviously, when they picked up Irvin from Seattle. Go with Khalil Mack, so they're trying to build up that front seven. Anybody that comes out of Michigan State program, Mark D'Antoni, you know that they're physical. They're going to get that additional edge rusher off the outside as well. This is a good, solid pick to rebuild the defense for him.
Shilique Calhoun makes a lot of plays from the backside with effort, which you love to see. He's a little bit segmented as a rusher. He's not a real smooth, fluid guy coming off the edge. Going to be somebody that can help you in the run game and develop as a passer.
I covered him in the Big Ten a lot, too. He takes some plays off. There are times where he takes plays off, a little soft on the edge from time to time. This is a good pick for the Oakland Raiders.
So all defense for the Oakland Raiders.